Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating a custom checkbox in Figma. If you've ever wanted to spice up your design projects with your own interactive UI elements, this is a great place to start. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, professional-looking checkbox, complete with interactive states that you can drop into any design. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, we need a check icon to use inside our checkbox. For this, I recommend heading over to Icons 8. It's a fantastic resource with lots of free, high-quality icons. So just search for a simple checkmark, download it as an SVG, and then drag it right into your Figma canvas. Using an SVG keeps everything sharp and scalable, which is super important for UI design since your checkbox might need to look great at different sizes. Next up, we want to put this check icon inside a frame. Think of a frame as the container or the box that forms the clickable area of your checkbox, just like the border you see when you check boxes on a form. In Figma, hit the F key or select the Frame tool, then create a square frame, making sure it's the exact size you want for your checkbox, like 24 by 24 pixels. Place your check icon right in the center of this frame. If it isn't centered, just select both the icon and the frame, and use the alignment tools to get it sitting perfectly in the middle. After that, let's add a stroke to the frame. This is basically the outline for your checkbox. With the frame selected, go to the Properties panel and turn on Stroke. You can set the thickness. Many checkboxes look great with a 2-pixel stroke, but feel free to adjust it based on your style. You can also tweak the color here, maybe make it gray or match it to your brand colors. A visible stroke helps users see where they should tap or click, so don't skip this step. Now let's add some corner radius to those crisp edges. Smooth corners are pretty trendy these days and can give your checkbox a softer, friendlier look. In the Properties panel, increase the corner radius to, say, 4 pixels or so. This is totally up to your taste, but even a little rounding can make your UI feel more polished. With that all set, it's time to create a component. Components are hugely powerful in Figma, letting you reuse and update elements across your whole design. Select the frame with the check icon inside, and press Command plus Option plus K or Control plus Alt plus K on Windows to make them into a component. You'll see a purple outline appear, letting you know it's now a master component. Now here's a neat trick. Let's hide the check icon. Click on the icon in your Layers panel and hit the eye toggle next to it. This gives us our starting state in empty checkbox. Don't worry, we'll bring that icon back in the next steps. We want our checkbox to have different states, checked and unchecked, so let's add a variant. With the component selected, click the Add Variant button in the right panel. This creates a second checkbox side by side. Here, unhide the check icon so this variant shows a checked state. Being able to switch between these is what allows for that interactive feel. Now it's time to set up the interaction. Switch to the Prototype tab at the top. Click on the first unchecked variant, drag the little blue node to the checked variant and set the interaction to On Tap, then set the animation to Instant. This just means that when someone taps or clicks the checkbox, it instantly switches to the other state, mimicking real-world behavior. Repeat the process in reverse, drag from the checked variant back to the unchecked one and set up the same interaction. On tap, animate instant. This two-way interaction is what truly makes the checkbox clickable and realistic in your designs. Once everything's wired up, head over to your Assets panel. You'll see your new checkbox component there. Just drag it into any frame or artboard where you want to use it. Now hit the play button in Figma's preview mode and click your checkbox. You'll see it toggle on and off just like a real checkbox in an app or website. And that's it, you've just built a fully interactive checkbox in Figma, which you can now reuse and customize as much as you want. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more UI design tricks, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Figma tutorials and design inspiration every week. Thanks for watching, happy designing.